Okay, hello from Excel Wizard. Today is Advent of Code 2016, day 16, diagram checksum using Excel and Python in Excel. Okay, let's see the puzzle. Today we have to do the diagram curve here, and then this is how the process. We start with A, so this is A here, and then make copy of A into B, so and then from B reverse B. So this one become like start with 0 and 1 and 0 again, and then replace 0 with 1 and 1 with 0 here. Then result is A and 0 and that reverse and replace thing. So this step we will have to do until we have a length that long enough for the target. Okay, just like this one. So we this is the sample, so we start with this one, and then the target length is 20. So after some loop here, we want to get this, but just the length of 20 here. So okay, let's start here, but this one I'm gonna use Python. So okay, I'll start with this one, 100 here, and since we work with text, so I'll just put in as text here, and then the length is 20. Okay, Python here, so I'll just define the n equal to this one, not okay. I'll start with A here, and then length, which is L, equal to 20. We just got 20. Then reverse A in Python is quite easy, so we start with A, and then this first number is start, and we want all. Second, after colon is stop, we want all, and then step is -1. So from 1 0 here we got reverse thing, and then we want to replace 1 with 0 and 0 with 1, so I have to do it 3 times. So replace. First, I'm gonna start replace 1 to something else, which is 2, and then do it for 3 times. And then now that I don't have 1, I can replace 0 into 1, and I got like this. And then last thing, I want to replace 2 into 0, so this is the reverse thing here. And then we want A and 0 and the reverse, so this is the length. So this is the first round. We want until that the length is more than 20, so we can do it while loop here. So while length A is less than L, colon here, we will do this, but we have to assign A back, so A is equal to this one. So we got like this, and then if we check the A here, we got this. And then length of this one is 23, which is more than what we need, so we only want 23, so we can do like this. Same here, so I'll just put in bracket, and then you want until 20, which is L. Just do like this. This is just like mid in Excel. So now we have the length of 20. Then second step is the checksum. So so we start with this one, and then we check each pair. Like this one become first pair is 1 1 0 0 0 1 here, and if they are the same, just put same is 1, and different just return 0. So okay, so this one I can like, okay, I can step every 2 here. Okay, I'll just refer to this one. Okay, So I already have A, so I can step A for every 2 here. So this one become like skip every one here. And the other one is I step A but start with 1 with step up 2 again. So I got like this, and this is become like tuple. So if we pair like 1 0 and then 0 1, the second line here, we can compare it with that, and we can use that with zip. So okay, zip like this, and we will get the zips of something, and we want to iterate through this list, so we can use for. So I can use for B and C in. So B is referred to first part, C is the second part, and just to show the result here, I just go with B plus C here. So this is the list of, okay, first one like 0 1, 1 0 0 0. So this is a pair, and I want if it's equal, then I get true false here. So if it's equal, I want 1. So 1 if. So this is a syntax in Python, which is really nice. So if this is equal, give me 1, and if not, else give me 0. Here, now I got like this. Now it's become a list, but we start with text. But the cool thing of this one, okay, I'll just set this into another A here. So the first A before this one is text. So okay, I set to something else, and then this is A here, and this is like string here. I can use len with string. I get 20. I also can use len with list. I also got 10 here. So this is like reduced by half. So this is quite same function can use with all of many of data type, and this is very cool here. And then here we want to do all checksum until if the number of length is even, and then we'll stop when the number of length is odd here. So we can do another loop here. So y a length a mod, which is percent sign of 2 equal 0, then we want to do this, but I just assign it back to A here, and then return A. So we got the list of 5 string here, and this is the answer for sample, which is here 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 here, and this is list, so I can do like text join. So I join with empty string here, and then join take like this A. So we got like this, and this is like empty string. So if I put delimiter here, just like text join, very cool here, and this is working very fast. So I just combine these two together. So just put it back here, and yep, everything should work fine. So this is the answer. Now we want to do this with our input. So this is now new input, just this one, copy, and I'll just replace it here. And the length is 272 here. 272. So this is the new one, and the length of new one is 17. And then from here is the string here. Not sure if I can just copy and paste here. Yeah, I can. So submit. One gold star here. And next one, part 2. We have to fill the length of this long. So like 3 or 35 million. Not sure. Control Shift 1. Yep, 35 million. So Excel not gonna make it. because Excel can only do text until like 32,000. So this is 35 million. And I just got the result here really fast here. So just copy and paste here. Submit to Gold Star for like using Python. This is really good one. Okay, now that I got 2 star, let's try to do this one with Excel, but Excel not gonna make the second part here. So just go back to first part. And this one I'll just gonna have to like step by step here. So GP, this one. So this is first step. Okay, just give me A. And then the second step is this one. This is second step. So with Excel, I have to replicate this one. Okay, I think I'll just change this one into, can I check? Equal to 1, false. Okay, just leave it like that. So with Excel, it's not easy like this ones. Okay, I'll just start with let A is this one, and then let L is this. Then first I need to reverse the string. So in Excel, we have to do like this. So I need the length of A. So I'll just go with n equal to length of A here. And then I need sequence. So sequence of n, start by n and step by -1. And this is reverse step. So, and then mid of A by 1. Wait, I don't want this. Oh, okay, okay. I get mid of A by this. Now this is the reverse. Then I have to replace 1 with 0. So I just do the same thing. So I just concat all this first, and then substitute 3 times. Substitute 3 times. So first I'm gonna substitute 1 with 2. And in Excel, we don't have to care about data type. So number, text is fine. And then we will substitute 0 with 1. And then last time we substitute 2 into 0. So this is the reverse step. And then we need A and 0, and that's reverse step. And this is the first loop. In Excel, we don't have the loop, so I have to go with reduce. Okay, so I'll reduce for A1 here, and then sequence of some number. I just start with 1, then lambda A and W here, and then let all this cross this. Okay, so this is first loop. Second loop will get longer, and I'll just check the length here. Second loop. Then the third loop, it will take longer and longer, and then finally we have to stop. So to stop it, I will check like this. So if n is less than L, we still continue doing this. But if it not, then give me A without doing anything. Got like this, but the length, okay, 2 is not enough, so just go 15. Now we got more than what we need, so at the last step we need to go with left with L here, so to stop that one. So this is the first step here, and I'll just checking equal to this one. Yep, it's equal, so good. Now the second step. Okay, I don't need this one, and so this is become my D here. This is become my D here. Then second step, I have to compare each pair of this one. So again, I need reduce with D, and then again I just go with, okay, S is sequence of 15, and then can go reduce with S here, and then first check I just start with 1, and then lambda A again because I already finished, and then W. So I need, again, let N is length of A, and then I need sequence step by 2, so sequence of N, but divide by 2, and then step by 2 here, and this is my this is another S here, so just this one go with T here. Okay, I'll just stop with this. Okay, this is the sequence step by 2, so I assign this one at S, and then I have to compare, so mid of A of S by 1, and then mid check if it's equal, so mid of A of S plus 1, so now become 2, 4, 6 by 1 here, and check if it's equal, then give me true false, and I can change this one to number with N here, so it becomes like this, and with this I can concat it back, go like this, so this is first loop, and I can go like 15 loop, but it's got count because at some point the number of N become 0. So the stop is I have to check again. So if length of N, no, I already have mod of N by 2 have some number, then just return me the A, and if not, just do the concat. Okay, close. So I got this, and check if it's equal to this one. Yep, true. So this is how to do with Excel. You can see that I think Python is now become easier, surprisingly. Okay, and okay, one more. So since this one is like I have to overshoot, like I have to go like sequence of 15 here. So this is T, and this one I cannot go to that 3 million. So like at this long still good, and then if I go to 100,000, it's not gonna work here, and then this is stop because the concat is not concat, the and sign is limit to that length, so it will not get me the 200 length here, so it's break here, so Excel cannot do long text. Okay, and I think another one here. Oh, hi, Farhead, thanks for joining. Another one here with Excel is I can do what we call recursive, so we don't have to overshoot this one. And to change that to recursive is getting some trick here, so I have to design some what we call lambda, so I will design D as lambda. Okay, I'll just start with here, and then lambda of the function itself, which is D, and then input is A, and now I don't need input, I just go straight with N, and then length A here, and then if we need condition, which I already give, so if N is less than L, we will rerun this one, so we can use that function that we define, so which is D and D, and this is what we will redo here. So I'm just close it here, so if N still less than the L here, so just redo this thing, If it not, give me this one, and this is the function which is stop here. And now I have to call the function with d, and this one, close. So this is the, yeah, so this is the first step. And then the second step, oh, I overwrite this one. Sorry, just take it back and copy here. So this is recursive. And then the second recursive is, I can just copy from this one. And this one, I will call it check ch, then make it lambda ch and a here. And then this is what I try to do. So same, start with let, and we need sequence, and then this is the condition. Wait, I just condition. So if we meet condition, just return a. If we don't meet, this is what we will redo. So we redo by call that lambda again, which is ch by ch, and this is the redo. And then I'll close it here. So this is close of lambda. Now we can go like, okay, we need x is equal to d by d of this one. So this is the first one. And then checksum is ch of ch on x. Close. Should be working. Yep. And same here. So how to do this in Excel. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.